In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Centerfold by the Geils Band. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Angel in a Centerfold, Geils Band. That was a rough, tough band from Boston. I saw them open for the Stones one time. They were killer. And they had Magic Dick on the harmonica and Peter Wolf on the vocals. Hey, by the way, if you like what you're seeing and you got a comment for me, I'd appreciate it. Hit me up and subscribe. That'd be great. And this song, we're going to kind of imagine this for acoustic guitar and trying to rock out a little bit with it. So the intro just goes, it's a G, F, C. Then just a quick F, C. Then the verse feel is, so G to F, C, then a quick F, C. Then the pre-chorus goes E minor, then a quick A minor, C, then comes to the big chorus. Bob, go! Second verse.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Now it goes to the pre-chorus, which is E minor, then A minor, that sets up the chorus again. My blues go, just been so the first line in the chorus goes, let's go. Okay, I understand. This ain't no Never Never Land. Peter Wolf singing with an attitude there. As I mentioned, I saw those guys open up for the Rolling Stones. I think it was back in the bad old 80s. But this is kind of a fun little song you can sing along and play with your friends. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, You can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.